Hey everybody, I just wanted to pop in here and offer you some encouraging words for not only your art reviews, but also just about taking care of yourselves. We're more than 2/3 of the way through this semester. Some of you may be feeling your energy dragging a little bit, and that's natural. So I just want to remind you to pace yourselves, get enough sleep, eat good food, get out in nature, get in some yoga and exercise. Treat yourselves well at this point. Take the time to treat yourselves well, because a fresh mind allows you to write well and more quickly and effectively, as well as with everything else, right? So, that said, an art review is really fun, I think. It's a chance to take a work of art that you find intriguing and to unpack it, and to take your reader into what makes this work of art unique, and, maybe it's not so good, and to explain why it's not so good. If you like it, can you find the words to explain why it is good? If it's just mediocre, can you explain why that's the case? So, in dealing with this, what it really comes down to, with whatever form of art it may be, from a video game to music to traditional art in a gallery or a film, is to understand what's the basic criteria. What are the elements of the art upon which critics usually judge its worth? Now, you can find that out by going online and hunting down reviews and looking at, okay, how do people review a film? How do people review a piece of illustration? How do people review sculpture? Go look around. See how people do it. And then, of course, there's your own unique take on the work of art. And we've kind of seen Sister Wendy demonstrating that so beautifully, where she not only looks at the work of art, but she also gives you the bigger meaning that she sees in it. Why is it relevant from her perspective? So, two levels here, right? One is the basic criteria, how it is that the critical world and viewers, when they think about a work of art, evaluate its worth. Second, your personal take. That matters a great deal as well. So, I hope these encouraging words carry you forward as we begin moving towards our rough draft, and take care of yourselves. All right.